Hi everyone, so this huge box came and I wanted to share with you all what I got. I won this giveaway off of TikTok from Maggie. I will leave her TikTok page down below. Let's open it up and see what I got. So this box is really big and I have no idea what I'm getting. So let's take a look. So the first item I pull out is this Loteria like little tote, and it has a zipper up on top. That is so cute. So the giveaway I entered was for a couple of items that were used, and I had no idea what they were going to be. And this is the second item. It's in a Michael Kors dust bag. And it is this bag. So here's what the inside of the bag looks like. It has a zipper middle compartment. And there's the back part of the purse. It does have a strap. These items were in the middle pocket. So let's take a look over there. In the little red bag was a watch. And inside the other bag had a little white bag. And this was inside these cute little Day of the Dead earrings. That's what they remind me of. And here is the last item, another Michael Kors handbag. And here is the inside. Here's everything I received in the giveaway that I won. Thank you so much, Maggie. I will tag her TikTok page down below. Like, subscribe, and comment. It means the world. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.